Today I'm going to show you how to send your very first email campaign in Mailchimp. So let's send that first campaign. On the left hand side over here, we are going to click on campaigns, and you will now see all of your existing campaigns. If you're watching this video, you will not have anything here. On the top right, you're going to click on create, and here we have emails, automations, websites, landing pages, and then some sign up forms, surveys, ads, and a social post. Now we're going to keep it in email here. This is the page, and we have three options. The first thing is a regular email. The second thing is an automation, and the third thing is a landing page. In this video, I will be covering the regular email. Let's go and click on design email. From here, you will be able to see on the left hand side to whom this is being sent to. So you can upload your contacts over here. So from here, you'll upload your contacts, either import it from another service, upload a file, or copy, paste them into a box. If you want to learn more about importing contacts, you can go ahead and watch the video on our channel. The next thing is here to where it's coming from. All right, so this is the email that it's being received by. And then, that's been sent by. Then you want to add in your subject. Now, once you click on the subject, you can add in the subject line over here. So let's just say subject, and then we've got some preview text. So let's just say, hey, you. All right, let's click on save. Now, from here, we can go and choose the send time. Now, you can just send it immediately after you've created it, or you can send it at a scheduled time. So if you click on scheduled over here, you'll have to upgrade, but you can choose the date and the delivery time. We're going to just send ours right from there. From here, we are going to go and we are going to click on save, and then we'll see content. Now, under content, you'll have design email, and there's a few different ways that you can do this. If you are able to code, you can code. You can do that. On the left, you can see the code your own option, but right now that's of the last of our options. What we want to do is either see a template, okay, or we want to use a basic layout. So the template over here you will see is any one of these. So go ahead and click any one of these. So let's say we are going to choose this one here. Okay, you'll need to upgrade to use that one. Let's use this one here. Go ahead and click apply. Now, if you'd like to look at it before you apply it, you can actually click on preview, but for now, this is what it looks like. What you want to do is take this, you want to now add in blocks, click on the blocks that you're adding in, customize those blocks, and build an email for your campaign. Once you're done, click on save and exit. You'll now be back over here, and right now it's showing me that I have a few errors, but ultimately, once you have created that email, you'll go ahead and click on send on the top right hand side, and it'll be sent out to the contact list that you have prepared over here.